Get ready for the dictation. Start. Now, coming to the documentary evidence, Exhibit P1 is the alleged agreement of sale, which is the basis for institution of the suit in question. Full point. According to PW1, the second defendant used to put his signature both in English and Kannada, and the first defendant used to put his signature in Kannada, and therefore, to prove the signature found on Exhibit P1, the plaintiff moved an application to refer the admitted and disputed signature of defendant number 2 to handwriting expert, but the said application came to be rejected and the plaintiff has not challenged the said order. Full stop. The court below on comparison of the admitted and disputed signatures has come to the conclusion that the signature of defendant number 1 Tikka Muniyappa found on the wakalat is totally different from his alleged signature found on Exhibit P1. Full point. Insofar as the signature of Muniramaya, second defendant, is concerned, his signature found in the wakalat is in Kannada, whereas his alleged signature found in Exhibit P1 is in English, full stop. But, the plaintiff has not placed any material to compare the signature of second defendant, full stop. There is a LTM on Exhibit P1, but the plaintiff has not explained as to who put the said LTM on Exhibit P1, full point. Further, the court below observed that, the stamp papers purchased for preparation of Exhibit P1 have been issued by the Treasury on different dated, that is, on 11/9/1995 and 10/8/1995, and they do not disclose the address and name of the stamp vendor as well as his license number. Full stop. Exhibit P2 and Exhibit P3 are RTCs for the year 1998, 1999 to 2000 to 2001. Full stop. Except these documents, the plaintiff has not produced any material to prove his possession over the suit property from 1995 till filing of the suit. Full stop. Exhibit P4 and Exhibit P5 are the legal notice and replay notice. Full stop. The replay notice at Exhibit P5 clearly shows that the defendants have categorically denied the execution of the agreement of sale in favor of the plaintiff. Full stop. The court below, on careful scrutiny of the evidence given of PW1 and the documents. Full stop.